Hi guys, Dorothy here, and I'm here today to share with you a Goodwill haul that I did. And sorry about any videos, I've been feeling under the weather, but so I figured I would share this Goodwill haul with you guys now. I got a copy of The Secret Garden, and some of these came from the thrift store, and this actually came from the thrift store. It has some black and white pictures in it, so I got that. I got a little golden book. It's not a regular golden book. It's one of the first little golden books, but it's a Pinocchio book. It's one little page was tore on the front, but the rest of it's all there. So I thought those would be. I always like the golden books. I got a Rudolph and the biggest, most beautiful Christmas tree, and the regular golden book size. And these both were in really, really good condition with like no writing in them, or like as far as like little kids scrawling all over them. And you know how it did have a stamp, but I think I'll be able to cover that up. Some really good pictures in there. So I got those. I got this one, and all of these were like 99 cents off, and then they were 50% off. So I got most of them for like 50 cents or less. A to Z, look and see. And so it's like all the alphabet. Some really good pictures. So I thought that would be. Look at that flower one's really pretty. So I thought I'd be able to use these for different books. The paint one is really pretty. It's perfect for right now. I mean, some of them are typical, but some of them are vegetables for a garden book. Was really good. So, got that. Thought that would be really good. This I got more so because I just wanted it, but it was in my pile. But it's The Tale of Three Trees, and it was a brand new book, still wrapped in plastic. So I got that. I liked that one. I got The New Guide to Herbs, and it has tons of different pictures. Some of them are older, some newer. I think I'll be able to use it for a lot of different things. Some of the pictures are really bright, very pretty. And when you get in the back, it actually has the dictionary where it has pictures of each one of them. So I think that'll be a lot of those that I'll be able to use. So that's that one. I got the Crescent Connoisseurs Library of American Antiques, and this I got solely for pictures, and it's pictures of different antiques. So that was pretty interesting. So really cool. So that would go over good. So I got that. I got this as Border Designs Cut and Use Stencils, and I got it because I can put it in my other Scan and Cut and scan all those and turn it into cut files, which that'll be great for stencils. So got that. Oops. I got a copy of an Anna Green Gables book. It has some really good colored pictures in it, which you don't find in a lot of the Anna Green Gables books. So I picked that up. This is probably one of the ones I thought was the neatest. It was the Classic Collector's Edition for Grey's Anatomy. It actually has a lot of the different pictures and stuff in it from the original book. So Thought that was sort of interesting and something that would be neat. I got this. Part of it was gone, but I got it just for the reusable calendar. I thought that would be really neat to have. So, tie those will look good. I got a Science and Nature Guide to Wildflowers. Again, this has a ton of really nice pictures in it. So that would be really pretty. Try to open it up where you guys can. Some meadow pictures. See, those are just gorgeous. So I think those will look great with some coffee and tea dye on the back of them. So I got that one. I got this, which is a throwback from my childhood days. It's a treasury of Holly Hobby. And the Holly Hobby ABCs. So, I loved that. Of course, that was a throwback to my childhood. So, I get a Frosty the Snowman. You never get a Frosty this time of year. So, you know, cut those down. They'll look really good in a journal. So, I got that. I got the big book of Berenstain Bears, which is 5 books in one. So I thought that would be great for a kid's journal. So I got that. I got the Kingfisher Illustrated Encyclopedia of Animals. And there's tons of pictures in here, like 3 pages just full of colorful pictures. Not too pretty, but you know. I'll be able to get some use out of that. And honeybees. So just a lot of different pictures of all kinds of things, from fish to bugs to mammals to, yeah, you name it. And butterflies. Oh, those are yet. There's a bunch of different butterflies and things in here, insects, ducks and birds and squirrels and beetles, all kinds of things. So I thought that was a good find. I got this one. It's called Images of Nature. And it's got big, nice, full page spreads as well as small ones. Excuse me. But there's a lot of really, really nice photos. I mean, that's just pretty gorgeous. And you know, being full page and split down to make it front and back. And I love this one because you sort of have this one is horizontal, but this one is horizontal, but you can also turn it and it can be vertical. So yeah, so I got 2 different pictures in one. There's just lots of different scenes, small and large. And the big 2-page ones are just gorgeous. I mean, that would look perfect in a fall journal. And it has different locations, so you have different things. You know, there's, you know, more north and more south. Aurora Borealis. That is gorgeous. Birds. So lots of the tundra and the desert. There's lots of different ones. I love this one. It'll be perfect. So I had to get that one. And then I found this one, and I actually ended up paying $2.50 for it because it was 50% off, and then in Ohio, 50% off if you're over 50. They actually gave it to us for $2.50. So, but the Beauties of Nature coloring book, this is available on Amazon. It is more pricey, but this is just awesome. So it starts out at first. It has the key, and it has all the small pictures. Let me make sure I set it in here for you. I don't know if you can see the detail in those pictures. Really, really pretty. So it has the key for all of them, so it shows all of them in really small. And there is 120 different pictures. Then when you turn in, it has the large one in great detail. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And then it has the black and white coloring page where you can color that yourself. The thing I don't like is on the back of the black and white is the next color one. So you have to sort of, yeah, you get both, but I'll just flip through and let you sort of see some of them. I mean, it's just definitely the fish I wasn't too keen on, but you know, if you're doing one for a man, like a fishing one, it would be perfect. And just all kinds of different flowers and animals and lots of butterflies and birds. Like I said, there's just a ton in here. A lot of moths and different things like that. And like I said, there's just a nice variety. Somewhere, some caterpillars. So I will hold this up so you can see the title. Really worth maybe looking into and seeing if you can get a copy of. It's really nice. Doesn't have an original price on it, but I know you can find it on Amazon. I can try to find and put a link in the description box below. I'll see if I can find it. Then the winner. Yes, this is the spine. The spine on this big bad boy. 3.5 inches. This is a very, very large book. Because the volume library, it is 27 volumes. The first one's animals, art, biography, careers, child development, earth sciences, economic and business, education, food and agriculture, geography, government and law, health, history, homemaking, industry and technology, language and grammar, literature, mathematics, philosophy and religion, plants, recreation, science, social science, United States, world. Then there's an atlas and the index. But there is just, and there's a lot of images. In it, so this is going to be just, well, yeah, some of them have more images, others don't have as much. But like these are the Nobel Prize winners. Just trying to get to the, let me get the plants. Just going to show you. Lots of black and whites of plants. tons of, and then there's colored pictures too. The mushroom. Trees. So there's lots of different items of different things. So I thought that was a good find. You know, when you're paying 99 cents for, oh, I have no idea. What is a total of 2,595 pages for 99 cents. $1.99. You can't beat that. So I just thought I would come on and sort of share my finds with you. So that was it for my books from Goodwill and Thrift Store. I do have a Hobby Lobby haul that is going to be being posted soon, so like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and we'll talk to you later.